again. We're trying again. You wouldn't see the first clip. Basically, I have got this package today from Doll & Bone. I ordered from them somewhat last week, I think. But I'm excited! I met this company / the lovely person. Oh gosh. Yeah, I met them last year at Riverside Festival and it was amazing and their stuff was amazing. And what's really frustrating is on the Sunday I was like, I really want to buy some stuff from their stall because it was beautiful. And it started raining, everybody started packing up, and then it was like they were leaving and I was like, I can't leave my stall alone because I was by myself. So I was like, so I didn't get anything, and then it's taken me almost a year to order something. Like, how terrible am I? I said to them like last year, like, I'm gonna order stuff from your site. If 1 year later, so bad. But I'm seriously in love with this. It's like a bluey. Oh my god! Y'all know I'm gonna keep this bubble wrap forever. So excited. I know what's in here because I ordered it, but I just wanted to unbox it because it's so cute. Oh, it's all individually wrapped. That's so cute. Should I like dump it out? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. It's not even funny. Is that everything? Oh, what is this? Oh my god. That's so cute. What the heck? I didn't even ask for that. Oh my god. Thank you. Weirdest reaction ever. Hello, let's feed me. Oh my god, and some stickers. I freaking love stickers. I have like a notebook that's just rammed with stickers. Every time a company sends, like I order something, I have stickers because I'm crazy. This one says, long life and prosperity. Gosh darn, dyslexia. It's a little spaceman. And then, wait, I should start a pile so that I don't get confused. Oh, look, yeah. I'm not going to show you that side, but Doll & Bone. If you need to order cute stuff, I suggest this site. Oh my god, my choker. This is what I broke one / it lived its best life, and I needed one for the longest time, so I was super excited. So I got a new one. What's this one? When you can't remember what you ordered. It's like a present. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, yes. Okay, right, so I was mostly excited about this because it's like a little seal. Oh my god, he's so precious. I know he was tiny, but he's so delicate. And then, oh, I was dead excited about this. It's like a little cassette tape. Can we focus? You have to look on their website for a closer shot, but that is just amazing. And then, oh, I don't normally pick things that are pink, but I thought this was actually amazing. I'm so excited. And that's just one. What else did I order? Oh my god, she's thrown stuff in. Oh my god. What is this? My patches. Oh yes, I was most excited about these. I was like, I want to show my support for their logo and also Pickle Rick. Can we talk about how amazing Pickle Rick is? Lucky Dip. I didn't even do the lucky. Oh my god, wait, what does it say first? Science is magic that works. Love that. Oh my god, she gave me extra wait, before I do the lucky dip, because I didn't even ask for that, and that is so cute. Oh, look. Oh, they're beautiful. What the heck? Oh, okay, I love this. What the heck? I need to keep it safe forever. What is this? You spoiling me. You treating me. You teasing me. What is this? Oh. Gnarly. I love that. Oh my goodness. Wait, why is it not focusing? That is amazing. She does the most amazing handmade chokers. Oh my god, I can't believe she threw in extra. Oh my god, I feel spoiled. But also, this company is amazing and you should totally. Fathom, why now? I'm unboxing. I'm gonna have to go. Okay, so to conclude, I am over the moon and this is amazing, and support smaller companies, and especially this company because that was the most amazing moment of my life. I'm out of breath. So yeah, links will be in the description for Doll & Bone. I suggest you check it out because it's amazing. Here's the close-up of everything. All the little necklaces and the details in bits. It's an amazing shop and you definitely need to check it out. And here's their website. It's amazing stuff and I love them and I support. Although I have for the past year, I just haven't been able to buy anything. So I'm super happy right now.